Yvan with DIY Detail. Today, we're back in Quebec. It's a little windy, it's a little warm, and the FIAT is really dirty. So we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna start by foaming on some all clean to the lower parts, especially the front end, and then we'll do a bit of a pressure wash to get everything off. Then we'll move it into the garage where it's a little less windy. All rinsed off. Now we'll bring it into the garage for the contact wash. Now that it's pre-rinsed, all the heavy dirt is off, it's time to go to a rinseless wash. And while we're doing this time lapse here, you can hit the subscribe button and maybe even the notification bell. If you have any questions, leave them below. Now the FIAT is wearing the DIY 8-year ceramic coating. As you can see, it's washing up super well. But to help it along, once we're done washing, we'll be drying it with ceramic gloss. No matter what coating you have on your vehicle, if you use ceramic gloss as a drying aid, it's going to make it a lot easier and faster to dry, but at the same time, give you a little added protection. And having your bucket on wheels is a great way of speeding up your times and making it easier on you. Once I'm done washing the body, I'll now take my sponge. I'm not going to squeeze it out in the bucket. I'm actually squeezing it out onto the roof. It's going to clean the roof and basically flush out all the dirt that's built up onto it. We're often asked, when do we know a sponge is done? Well, this sponge is a great example of that. This is a prototype sponge that we've had in the garage for a long time. And as you can see, it's starting to lose its chunks. On this side, it's okay, but this side, it's starting to lose its chunks. That's when you know it's time to get a new sponge. Legacy sponge, unfortunately, is on back order, but when it comes back in, we'll have a nice new sponge. Next up, the drying with the ceramic gloss. Very simple. One spray on the panel, one on the towel, and off we go. With the rinseless wash, you can almost let it air dry on the surface, meaning it'll make it a lot easier on you and your drying towel. And if you do get a spot, it's just going to wipe right off because it's not a water spot, it's a rinseless wash spot.